Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest household items. Today, we're diving into a must-have cleaning tool for every home, the Powerstone Pumice Stone Toilet Bowl Cleaner with Handle. If you're tired of battling hard water stains, mineral deposits, and stubborn grime in your toilet, then look no further. The Powerstone Pumice Stone is here to revolutionize your cleaning routine. What sets this pumice stone apart from the rest? Well, for starters, its superior cleaning power. Unlike ordinary toilet brushes that struggle to tackle tough stains, the Powerstone Pumice Stone effortlessly removes even the most stubborn marks, leaving your toilet bowl spotless and shiny. But wait, there's more. This versatile cleaning tool isn't just limited to your toilet. Thanks to its ergonomic handle and fine grit pumice, it's perfect for tackling stains on sinks, tiles, grills, and even pool surfaces. So why settle for mediocre cleaning tools when you can have the best? Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and endless scrubbing, and say hello to a cleaner. Greener way to clean your home with the Powerstone Pumice Stone Toilet Bowl Cleaner. That's a wrap for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews. Until next time, happy cleaning!